Assalamualaikum and good day to our panel. Today we will be presenting our study on the application of a decision support system in human resource management. We call our system as ResuMatch. So before we dive into the details, I want to introduce our group members. The first members is FARAH binti ISMAIL. Next we have ANTASYAH binti SAIFULLIZAN, Nur Maria binti Muhammad YUNOS, and me, Nur FARAH ATHIRAH binti MUSTAFA. So I want to start our presentation with the introduction of our study. So as we all know, the rapid advancement of information technology has reshaped the decision-making processes. A decision support system, or we call as DSS, serves as a key tool to assist managers in solving semi-structured and unstructured problems. In the recruitment process, HR professionals face increasing challenges. This includes managing large volumes of resumes, reducing bias, and ensuring accurate and fair decisions. Resumes provide critical data for evaluating candidates, but as the number of job seekers grows, the manual review process becomes cumbersome and prone to errors. This inefficiency not only delays hiring decisions, but also increases the risk of overlooking highly qualified candidates. So, to address these challenges, we propose ResuMatch, a DSS powered by fuzzy logic. This system translates qualitative factors like skills and experience into quantitative outputs. It enhances efficiency, accuracy, and fairness in recruitment decisions. So by the end of this study, we aim to design and propose ResuMatch to improve recruitment processes and contribute to better organizational outcomes. Now let's discuss the problem at hand. Currently, human resource departments struggle to manage large databases and analyze data effectively due to the lack of efficient decision support systems. This creates several critical issues, such as inefficient recruitment processes resulting in delays and the potential for poor hiring decisions. Moreover, manual resume screening is time-consuming and prone to errors, increasing the risk of missing out on top candidates. Next, repetitive tasks consume valuable time and resources, limiting HR professionals' ability to focus on strategic tasks. Lastly, the absence of strong DSS increases bias and leads to inconsistent hiring decisions, which ultimately affects organizational performance and applicant satisfaction. Our project aims to address the issue by providing a user-friendly, intelligent, and efficient DSS that benefits both HR professionals and applicants. Our study focuses on three key objectives. The first objective is to enhance the recruitment process by utilizing a DSS to streamline candidate evaluation and selection, making the process faster and more reliable. Secondly, automating resume screening and implementing a ranking mechanism to efficiently identify the most qualified candidates. Thirdly, designing an intelligent HR system to empower HR professionals to make well-informed, data-driven decisions during the hiring process, ensuring fairness and accuracy. Ultimately, our goal is to improve recruitment efficiency and organizational productivity while enhancing the satisfaction of both HR professionals and applicants. Moving on to the functionalities of our system. So first, we will explore how the ResuMatch system enhances our recruitment and talent management processes. Our recruitment and talent management tool is designed to streamline the assessment of candidates' qualifications and match them with our organizational requirements using an applicant tracking system, which is known as ATHIRAH. This system ensures new recruits are aligned with our business objectives and cultural fit by tracking their performance. Moving on to workforce planning and forecasting, ResuMatch leverages company objectives, historical data, and labor market trends to enable HR managers to use predictive analytics for future workforce needs. By analyzing variables such as employee turnover, promotions, and retirements, the system helps firms plan for various scenarios, including changes in corporate strategy or increased demand for specific skills. This improves resource allocation by examining current employment levels and suggesting personnel adjustments to achieve strategic goals. Scenario modeling within HRDSS supports evaluating the impacts of different workforce strategies, ensuring we are prepared for future challenges. Next, let's discuss the automation of repetitive HR tasks. ResuMatch minimizes manual labor by automating the screening and ranking of candidates who are most qualified for positions. Our ATS automatically scans resumes for relevant experience, technical skills, certifications, and qualifications, filtering out unqualified candidates. A ranking system enhanced by machine learning and predictive analytics uses historical data on successful hires to rank candidates based on their likelihood of success. This system efficiently evaluates factors such as experience, technical skills, and qualifications through predictive analysis. Now, let's talk about enhanced decision making. ResuMatch provides detailed reports and analytics on candidate performance, assisting HR managers in making informed decisions based on data-driven insights. The customizable system includes specific criteria important to our organization, ensuring a thorough evaluation of each candidate. This data-driven approach helps us select the best candidates who align with our strategic goals. Lastly, we focus on improving the candidate experience. ResuMatch automates and personalizes communication to keep candidates well-informed and engaged throughout the recruitment process. Automated status updates, acknowledgements, and follow-up reminders ensure candidates are fully engaged. Routine surveys gather feedback to continuously enhance the process, improving our brand reputation and making us attractive to top talent.
So now it's my turn to explain about the key usability requirements for an effective human resources decision support system HR DSS, which is ResuMatch. First, the system must be easy to use for HR managers and applicants with any technical background. The interface should be simple, organized and intuitive, ensuring that user can navigate and complete tasks effortlessly. Features like clear label tooltips and helpful error message make the experience smoother, reducing confusion and frustration. Second is about the reliability. The system needs to work consistently with minimal crash or error. It should be available 24 hours for essential features like ranking candidates or managing workflows. Reliable error handling ensure user can quickly resolve issue without disruption. Third is about the security and privacy. Protecting sensitive employee data is a crucial thing. Role-based access limit what user can see and ensure they only access what they need. Strong authentication measure further safeguard data and build user trust in the system. Next is about the performance feedback. Real-time performance indicator help user track system responsiveness. Feedback option like survey allow user to report issue or suggest improvement about the system, showing that the organization commitment to making the system better and boosting user satisfaction. These usability requirements, which are ease of use, reliability, security, and feedback, are essential for creating a user-friendly and effective decision support system that support HR operations seamlessly. So now, its real-time performance indicator help user track system responsiveness. Feedback option like survey allow user to report issue or suggest improvement about the system, showing that the organization commitment to making the system better and boosting user satisfaction. These usability requirements, which are ease of use, reliability, security, and feedback, are essential for creating a user-friendly and effective decision support system that support HR operations seamlessly.
Hi, I'm HALIS ANTASYAH. I will present about intelligent DSS implementation in ResuMatch. Now let me explain how the system architecture works. The process begins with input from two key sources, which are HR and applicant. Those input are captured and managed through a center interface that connects all components. Within the system, a processing block evaluates both the job requirement activate and application activate to determine suitability. The processing block will generate a ranking list of candidates based on this evaluation. All HR application and job profile details are secure through and accessed through the database for decision making and reporting. The human resources module. This model is designed to streamline the higher process from the organization. It manages tasks such as inputting job requirement and ranking candidates based on qualification and monitoring applicant. Higher professional can access applicant profile and gather all the necessary information for requirement decision. Now moving to the application module. This module is a user-friendly interface for the job seekers. Applicant can submit their personal information, apply for job, and provide detail about their skill, qualification, and experience. Next, role user interface, which acts as a center dashboard. Next, role user interface, which acts as a center dashboard. The interface enables them to define job requirements in detail, manage applicant data, and even access ranking list of candidates. It's a one-stop solution to make the requirement process more effective and data-driven. For applicants, this interface allows users to create profiles, submit resume, and monitor their applicant status. This institute and ensure a seamless experience for the job seekers. The processing block, which are the power of the modules. First, we have the job requirement sub-component. This part process and show data about the specific skill, qualification, and experience needed for each job posting. HR can easily define and adjust requirements to align with organization needs. Then we have the applicant sub-component. This sub-component manages applicant data, including education, qualification, work experience, and skill set. It ensures that all relevant details are captured and processed effectively for ranking and evaluation. Our system uses advanced fuzzy logic to rank resume based on job requirement and candidate attribute. It interprets subjective criteria like technical, skill, relevant experience, and more by applying fuzzy variable for national evaluation. Once the criteria are assessed, the system applies predefined linguistic rules and interface entries to determine its candidate relevant. The result is a ranked resume list. A streamlined output that empower requirement to make information data-driven decision quickly. Other critical feature is our feedback and reporting mechanisms. The system collects user feedback and generate comprehensive reports on requirement performance, employee metrics, and system reliability. This insight drive continuous improving in hiring strategy and system functionalities, ensure that our performance are reviewed and adapting tools to for requirement needs. This is our workflow from ResuMatch. With these advanced capabilities, our system ensures precision in candidate selection and provide actionability insight for long-term requirement success.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'll be introducing the user interface of ResuMatch, which is a dynamic application designed to streamline the recruitment process for both applicants and HR manager. So let's start with applicant interface. Here, user can log in using their registered email or username and password. For those who forget their password, there's a forgot password feature to reset it. New user can easily sign up to create their account before logging in. Next, this interface shows the home page for applicants. Here, user can access their personal information such as name, email, and their location. The dashboard highlights their technical skills and application progress, enabling them to track their recruitment journey. To enhance support, a chatbot is included, allowing applicants to communicate with HR managers for any queries. Applicant interface also displays the list of job offer posted by the companies. Applicant can explore job details including job description and the offered pay by the company. If the applicant has chosen their job, they will be redirected to fill in their personal details such as name, email, date of birth, academic background, and relevant experience. Next, the applicant also required to upload their resume and certification, such as academic transcript and passport photo resume to strengthen their application. Once the applicant have submitted their personal information, the system will redirect the applicants to the interview slot, allowing applicants to choose a convenient date and time for their interview. After that, the applicant can review all the submitted details before finalizing their application, so they can either submit, save as a draft, or return to make edits. There are also inbox and notification in our system for applicants, where applicants can receive updates on their application status, whether they have passed to the next interview stage or been rejected. If selected, applicants can find their job offers later here. Moving on to the HR manager interface. So this system will provide HR manager login using their staff ID, username, or email along with their password. A password reset option is also available. After the successful login, HR manager will redirect to the homepage, which features a dashboard summarizing company details such as the total number of employees, new applicant, and vacancy. The dashboard also includes tasks like income interview and applicant status, making it easier for HR manager to stay organized. HR manager can click the job offers to be redirected to the ranked list application for this specific job. So this is the interface for ranked list application, which generated automatically by the system called fuzzy logic based on their qualification and job requirement. HR manager can easily identify the top candidates to invite for interview. The HR manager also can view detailed profile of applicant from the ranked list and decide whether to approve for interview. Finally, the interface for HR manager will also present the interview slot management, including incoming session, today, and completed session. To conduct incoming interview, HR manager can click the tick button. After conducting the today interview, HR manager can click either pass or fail. The system then automatically will show the status of approved or rejected on completed session, and the system will generate job offer letter for successful candidates and rejection letter for others. In conclusion, ResuMatch is a powerful tool that transforms recruitment process by saving time, ensuring accuracy and enhancing communication between applicants and HR manager.
Now it is all about the significance of our project. Our project is a game changer for recruitment in human resource management. By implementing a decision support system DSS powered by fuzzy logic, we solve key challenges in hiring and streamline the entire process. Firstly, the system improves efficiency by automating time-consuming tasks like resume screening and candidate ranking. HR team can focus on strategic work while the system quickly identify the best candidate. Secondly, it enhances decision-making by using data-driven insight instead of subjective judgment, reducing bias and ensuring fair evaluation. This will address the issue from the traditional requirement process. Thirdly, the system promotes a transparent and fair hiring process. Candidates are ranked based on clear criteria, building trust and strengthening the organization reputation. This shows that DSS can reduce the likelihood of fairness and overlooking qualified candidates and ensure equitable treatment for all applicants. Additionally, it improves the user experience for both HR manager and applicants. The HR manager get intuitive dashboard and automation tools, as well as applicant benefit from real-time update and an easy application process. Lastly, the system is scalable and future-readiness, since it adaptable to changing requirement needs and capable of integrating advanced features like employee performance tracking and skill gap analysis. Therefore, this project modernizes recruitment, save time, ensure fairness, and align with organizational goals. It's a powerful step forward in leveraging technology for smarter HR management. That's all from us, management. That's all from us. Thank you.